Hello, I'm High Heel Knight. Welcome to my channel, and on today's High Heel Hunt Day, we're going to look at the Hush Puppies Laurel Mid-Heel Business Pump. Now, normally I have a nice little intro discussion before getting into the deep dive, but we're going to go right into discussing these shoes. As always, we'll start with my 12-inch ruler. So move these over to the side a bit. So the heel, I pre-measured this earlier. The very top of the heel does come to a 3-inch mark, so they are technically 3-inch heels. They are technically high heels, but the foot rests about a little bit below that. So I would say it's actually more as far as wearing it, it's more like a 2 3/4 heel. So really, wearing it is more like a mid heel, but it is technically 3 inches, so it is a high heel. Okay. Now it comes in the color dark brown. I imagine there were several colors offered when this was in production, but it seems to be discontinued. I tried to find information online and I couldn't find it. But I do love the color, and one of the things I do like about the color is that it's solid all around. So it's solid on the heel. It's one long conformed color. Lots of times the heel will be a different color, often black, or may have some like a line or just something to make it different. It does have this nice little curve. That's one of the things that interests me, because I got this around 20-something years ago when I just first started collecting shoes by myself. So seeing this nice little extra curve there is something that really attracted to me. But yeah, I do like that it's nice, uniform, dark brown throughout it. So that's something that's, it's simple, but sometimes simple is best. Sometimes simple is most effective. So it doesn't have to be all flashy and crazy. Sometimes simple is best. Now, getting to the interior, you have the logo for Hush Puppies right there. It's got some nice padding all the way through, and it's hard to tell, but there are some extra, like, those little tiny air holes in the upper, in the ball area there. The inside, I call these the Laurel pump because that's what it says on the box, but it doesn't say Laurel on the inside with the imprinting there, right there. It just says what it's made of, that it's genuine leather upper, balanced man-made, made in India, and it has the code. It's like 7852306040002. But it does actually say Laurel on it, so, but it says on the box Laurel, so I'm calling it Laurel. And on the bottom, we have the Hush Puppies logo again. This time printed differently. It says Hush Puppies, whereas on the inside, it's one line Hush Puppies. That's, usually don't see that kind of inconsistency when it comes to branding, but hey, I don't work for that company. And something that's also cool is this nice little archway here, comfort curve. It's on both shoes, and like, so you got the toe area here, got the ball area here, so you got little grooves. So I thought that was, pretty cute, pretty cool. Of course, I didn't discover that after I bought them and looked at them, like, oh wait, that's extra nice also. So yeah, there's nothing particularly fancy about these shoes, but I will say I do love the box design. This is definitely one of the reasons why I wanted to start off the way I did, because I wanted to have a moment to highlight the box of that adorable puppy up there. I ordered these online. This was one of the first online purchases I ever made of shoes. I didn't know it would come in that box, but I'm so glad I kept the box, because not only does it have the name of the product on it, but it's such an adorable face. And I'm not even a dog person. I'm not a dog person, a cat person. I just, hey man, cute logo, cute box design, I respect as a graphic designer. So, those were the Hush Puppies Laurel Business Pump in dark brown. And as I said, I think these shoes are discontinued, but you'll probably find the equivalent online. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Be sure to share whatever comments you like in the comment section, including if you like that I just went right into talking about the shoes instead of my usual introduction and backstory and outro. And be sure to like, share, and subscribe, or dislike, share, and subscribe. Once again, I am High Heel Knight. Thank you very, very much for watching. And remember, find inspiration everywhere.